This is a new black Berky filter, and I'm in the process of priming these. These filters come with this rubber adapter, and that's helpful to put a bit of a seal on the top here to try and force tap water into the filter. So initially it's going to fill up, and then in time it will start to sweat on the side here, and I'm hoping I'll be able to show that on video. So I'm trying to create a bit of a seal here with the rubber washer and the tap. Oh, and it's starting to sweat now. So the water has been forced through the filter, and that will help it to flow better than if it would have to get through that filter by itself when it's just starting off. So when I say sweat, it's not like, I mean the water is starting to seep through, I guess would be a better way to explain that.